500 about rapid solar deployment. Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. If that garden hose makes you nervous, you're using the wrong equipment. This SIG energy system is IP66 rated. It thrives in the rain and it thrives in the dust. Today, I'm going to show you how AWPS Renewable Energy Ltd is revolutionizing C&I power. We can deploy a 500 kilowatt power brain, that's the inverters and the batteries, in less than a single day. I'll explain why this speed is a financial game changer for Nigerian business. And I'll be honest with you about what actually takes time. Now, let's talk about the 16 kilowatts versus 2 kilowatts paradox. I have a 16 kilowatt load list here. 1.5 horsepower and 1 horsepower ACs, a 3 kilowatt water heater, pumps, and a deep freezer. Most installers see 16 kilowatts and immediately try to sell you a 20 kVA system. But my data shows I average 2 kilowatts during the day. At AWPS, we use diversity factor engineering. We don't build for your nameplates, we build for your real-world demand. In my Wall Street days at Merrill Lynch and JP Morgan, we focused on efficient asset allocation. Why over-allocate capital to a system you don't need? This engineering saves you millions in upfront costs before we even start the install. For our industrial clients, we bring the big guns, the AMPROBE DM4. We recently audited a client running a massive 300 kVA generator. Why? Because their system was unbalanced. One phase was pulling over 300 amps. 300 amps times 230 volts equals 69 kilowatts per phase. To keep that one phase from tripping, they bought a massive engine and they are feeding it diesel every day. At current prices of nearly 1,800 Naira per litre, that's a diesel vampire. We find the imbalance, we fix your loads, and we redeploy your capital into an asset that actually grows your business. Now, here's the caveat. The solar panels take longer. Why? Because at AWPS, we don't rush the roof. We ensure the mounting is hurricane-proof and the structural integrity is 100%. The brain is fast, but the muscles, the panels, take the time they deserve to be done right. This honest engineering is why Sterling Bank has been financing our clients since 2019 with zero defaults. We have a client who took a 2-year loan in 2019. The loan was paid off years ago, but the system is still running today. When a battery failed last year, the manufacturer replaced it for free because we are the home of the 10-year warranty. Our clients get peace of mind because the asset outlasts the financing every single time. We are at 6,287 subscribers and we are pushing for 10,000. We are showing Nigeria that professional solar isn't a luxury, it's a data-driven financial asset. If you want to slay the diesel vampire in your business, hit that subscribe button. If you want a real audit with the AMPROBE DM4, call the doctor. I'm Dr. Solar from AWPS Renewable Energy Ltd. Stop guessing, start measuring. Thank you for the trust. I'll see you in the next one.